Okay, so the don't focus on the question. This is the exam last year, so I will be conducting almost the same exam. The difference would be the questions and specific cases that will be presented. So at least you have a general idea on what's the content of the course. Let me ask also. Let me cancel the sharing. If I have detailed, if I have, because I'm aware that there are areas that I've already discussed on this topic, but I would like to, okay, because there is only one questions in this presentation slide. I would like to confirm this one. These haven't been discussed in details. So number one is that we will discuss. Although I have discussed this one, I think from the other course, Management Information System by under SEBA, and the Management Information System for other special courses from CCS. So there are areas where um, questions is isa lang man ka questions and coming from this slide, but I think I need to discuss this one. On the other side, on the other resources would be the final exam na at least aware mo. Am I correct? No, the details of this one, the slides related to, although I have discussed some of the theories included here. Example, I think I've discussed this one, the unified model and the Dillon and IS. These are models that describes human behavior in using the IS, but the information system life cycle is not yet in details. I hope am I right? Kaya naa siya sa questions later. Anyway, let me proceed diretso sa before I'll discuss on that matter. I'll first discuss ang first agenda nato, which is the final exam dapat. Ay, wait, nawala akong ano. Okay. So, although some of the questions in the exam is not directly the same, but the flow is pari-pareha lang ani. So, akong ingon na, this is the last exam, last semester's exam. I don't know, this is not necessarily the other first semester exam. Pare-pareha naman siya, not necessarily the previous one. The first semester na final exam. So I need to change some areas. At least you will be aware of how the questions, at least the important thing is you have an idea what would be the topic you need to focus on or recall if you think you are unable to answer the question. The purpose of giving you the type of exam is at least you will be guided on what to study. I believe na for grading purposes and for evaluation, you need to identify which topic to focus on so that you will be guided also on answering the exam. Hindi siya pasabot na dawat limpyo ka because we focus only on the topic but the question it doesn't mean ngayon ani. Para dili pud mo makurat na in an applied type ang exam, dili necessary nga kanang question. Although there's an area nga will ask questions related to the concept but we focus more on applications. So sa first part sa exam, identification of the type of information system, we're aware of the references na gamiton ani para sa exam. For example, katong transaction processing system, management information system. So these are questions. So unsa lang ang question diri is identify what type of information is being described in the table and your justification of why that particular information system belongs to this type, or your justification why you classify that IS to in the classification of IS. Why did you classify that situation or phenomenon or system in general to which information system siya dapat na belong? So, example, isa lang akong ihatag na example, a chat group of a specific office in an organization. So, na-question unsa na siya nga type sa IS, then the reason why you classify that, for example, if you classify this as transaction processing system, what would be the reason why you classify that as transaction processing system? No, inana siya. So, these are 5 cases na siya diri, maybe sa final tulo or upat lang, depending on the number of items later na i-focus sa question. So, kanina atay 5, pwede rin po na ako basahon ni dili magyud ni exactly ang mo gawas, although pwede po na kaning yun ang mo gawas if I don't want to look for another description. Document tracking system where staff will input the DTS, what type of IS is that, and the reason for classifying that IS. Remember, ang types of information nato kay there are 2 major types, but what I am referring here is a specific information system which is under siya sa dili tong broad classification. Kaya ang broad classification is ang management support IS o operation support sa IS. Under operations, for example, na po another level of IS such as typical a transaction processing system, MIS, or executive information system. So there are specific systems nga nakabutang under that particular major broad classification of IS. So ang atong ask diri is ang specific. If someone will answer a broad type of IS, most probably I will deduct some points instead of giving this. I think this is 3 points each, I think. 1 point for the classification and 2 points for reason. Another is an enrollment system that generates a program of study after producing the schedule for the current semester. So if you've noticed, the questions or the situation is very broad, or it's hard to identify sometimes what type of IS is that. Gituyo gina siya nga type sa question so that your justification will be the basis of the answer. No, and don't invent some a system na wala gi-mention diri in your justification. Okay, muna ko mabantayan na maghatag tag another example sa ato ang justification. Ang naa diri kinahanglan lang ka mag-identify og specific function. If it's too general nga system, kailangan lang ka mag-identify og specific na supporting ana niya rather than inventing another. Example kani enrollment system, so that means this is all about enrollment. So which type of IS ang gusto nimo i-classify ni siya? Ano siya specific function that generate a program of study. So depende sa imo type of IS. If you say that this is a transaction processing system, why did you classify this as a transaction processing system? What is the characteristic of transaction processing system? That would be part of your reason. Okay, so inana ang first classification of IS. Then naada in short answer. This is the most dynamic part of the exam. Kaya ako ni siyang ginausab-usab per me. Short answer question lang. Mura siya is saying a short answer question. Be particular also of the topic. Kaya this is mo ni ang mga dynamic na topic nga gina-consider. So for example here, number 1, these are all about hardware related system. So it might not be part later, kaya can siya emphasize. Second is ang public sector value chain. So and in modern transformed government. So these are specific kaayo siya no nga topic. So at least you're aware of the public sector service value chain, and katong of course parehas ra man ni siya na ay model, for example, na basis ani sa ato ang references. So kana siya. Then I also have here explained the difference between TAM theory, but naay nakabutang diri nga human behavior and IS phenomenon ang source sa question ani. So it might be nga dili necessary nga kanang TAM ang i-question, but related to human behavior and information system. The challenging part, which is an application part, kaning mga case studies. No? So example kani, 15 points siya automatic. Ang question lang ani, what organizational complement should the Department of Urban Development prioritize to effectively implement and maximize the benefits of Group IS addressing challenges in communication, project visibility, and knowledge sharing? Kani kaya daan siya nga topic na kaning organizational complements. I hope na wala na siya nalimtan. Second is governance model. So ako na siyang i-read na lang daidaan para at least ma-recall nato na it was not emphasized during our lecture. So ang secondary is this is what we call a business process re-engineering. You need to re-engineer or develop a new process from an old one. So for example, kani enrollment system for Metro State University. So naay process na gibutang, no? Tapos ang question din kay propose a new technology enabled process based on the following steps. So na process na gihatag, you need to transform it into a new process using the concept of business process re-engineering and what if there is a technology support. Mo na siya ang idea aning nga case, no? Kay kana siya ang taas-taas ansira, no? Using only current available technologies, how would you redesign this process to streamline operations, improve coordination, and enhance student experience? No, kana siya. Then, napay questions on in developing the information system. This is related to the topic on information system acquisition. So, then, mura siya connected lang one case. Redesign the enrollment process, describe what activities will be conducted during the following phase. So, gi-identify na kung nga phase na dapat na learn nyo kung unsa is analysis and support phase. This is yet fresh because we've discussed this the other 2 weeks ago pa. So, katong mga information systems development life cycle na ani siya, and there are also other terms, for example, for support and analysis phase, but in general these are phases in software development life cycle. Then I last did a case study on data models. The previous question I already give this as a practice for final exam. So data model siya related, the Lanao Regional Government Supply Office, so nain ana. Tapos ang activities ani ka identify entities, attributes, and relationship. No? So kana lang siya ang coverage sa exam nga atong i-take up. So I think ano raman siguro siya, no, kanang unsay patawag ani, possible ra kaya ra in 1.5 hours to 2 hours of answering the questions. No? O kaya lang ba ni siya? Or any inquiry or ano before I'll conduct a short lecture on katong managing people and various IS phenomenon. May questions related to final exam? If none, so kano sa atong final exam? No, kano sa kani atong schedule? Initial schedule nato?
Next Saturday, 20.
Atong option is 13 and 20. Although, so depende sa inyo when mo mag-take. Actually, anytime after the 13 is pwede mag-take as long as you will arrange a schedule with me. So dili dito 13.
Originally, sir, 13.
Tapos, unsa ganito na ideally available or at least mas maayo nga ano, later na?
Ano sir, may exam po kami kay Sir Galego.
Tama. Ang atong concern manggod kay sige lang 19 is holiday as of now as announced, then 20 okay rin sa inyo ha, 20 afternoon.
Yes sir. Okay na po sir kanang 20.
That would be afternoon or
Or
morning?
pwede po ano sir, after 13 na lang, okay ra.
What time
Para
after
mas
13?
early.
Actually,
pwede po sir sa ano, wait lang sir.
actually pwede rag 20.
December.
But if you want to schedule earlier, just inform me of the schedule. Para na ako yung proctor nga mapilin.
Yes. Pwede sir sa weekdays na lang, like 16 or 17 ganyan. Ay hindi, 15.
Yes. As a 15, okay lang ko sa 15, but there are dates hindi ko available. Depende sa time.
Kung ano po yung vacant nyo sir sa 15.
Okay. Sa 15, 8 to 5, vacant lang ko ana.
8 to 5.
8 to 5 or after office hours kay 5 to 7.
Pwede po, sir. Okay ra.
I-ano lang ko, sa tawag ani, i-inform na ko in advance or should I schedule this 15 as 5 to 7?
Diri sa campus, sir. Diri ta sa campus.
Yes. There is sa katong iklasihan nato dito siya sa MyCell.
Okay.
MyCell.
Pwede siya, sir, 4 to 6 na lang.
Much better. Kay maghatag raman ko
Kato na lang, sir, sa December 15 na lang, 4 to 6 p.m.
Sige. 8 to 1. So 4 p.m.
Okay na sa inyo, Sir Franz. Ang mga classmate ko po, baka
Kuan sir, undecided pa ko sir kay ako pang lang tao ng kuan schedule for this week.
Okay lang
Pero
na
as
siya.
long as dili mula pasok December 20 sir, okay ra sir no?
Yes,
oh,
in fact, I'll also assign a schedule sa 20 if worse gid siya. Ako lang di ganahan kay 19 is holiday tapos 20 kay naamo. No, but it's still okay. Saturday man gyapon na for the final exam, dali lang na siya. We can schedule it kung kano sa mo available. Or even sa 13 if you want to take, pwede rin na siya. Just inform me in advance.
Sir, sa 13 sir, morning to afternoon na available lang sir.
Okay.
Sige sir.
magsabot na lang, Mr.
Morning or afternoon, pwede rin siya sa 30.
Magsabot na lang, Mr. Kay opatra man
Then,
ni.
if dili available sa 13, we can still have backup 16. Just inform me a day before or kung 13 gani kay okay ra gani siya ka regular schedule nato na siya although final exam week na siya dapat, so okay ra gid na siya as long as naa sa ato ang schedule kaning ang kaning 13 okay ra gid ni siya kay mao na ang final exam na. You don't need to
Sir. Okay lang po, sir, kanang 13 sa afternoon.
morning or afternoon, then if dili kaya then we can move it to sa 15. Otherwise you need to decide on kung saan na dahil nga date na available.
Sige, sir.
Sige. Okay. Pero at least ang important sa ako as of now is that you're aware of the type of exams. As I've said, open notes siya, but you are not allowed to open electronic form na notes unless provided by me through a laptop or computer in the office. Nga dili connected sa internet. Ana lang siyang akong po, if you can print some of the resources, okay lang. And if you need assistance, for example, a laptop as reference later, I will find a laptop para dito mo mag-check sa mga resources or folder nga ako ang gi-prepare. No, ako lang kay ako'y in control so that wala dili maka-refer sa internet. Okay, and so what na questions on the content sa exam? Kaya we have this would be our last na coverage na I think not emphasized in the exam, not emphasized in the lecture, but part of the short answer questions. And siya sa short answer. Nawala ko sa okay. Nawala akong connection. Okay. Sige, let me record the presentation. Ano man naman record no? Sige, so we've decided already our final exam. Dapat ako nang i-post unta Sige lang, it's okay. Stop na lang na ako na siya. Para